Chad, say something funny. What are you doing, Chad? Where are you going? What are you going to do now, Chad? Chad, Flex.
No.
Show the girls your nice muscles. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
No, you're not. You're gonna put it on YouTube. I'll be really upset.
No, I'm gonna give it to Robbie. He's gonna put it on YouTube.
No, it's funny.
Yeah, I'll do it. Flex for the girls. All the girls on YouTube are gonna watch. Look at this nice six pack. Oh, look at that. It's like a big old roll right there. Looks like your stomach's talking, dude. This is boring. Look, see what Bryce is doing.
Watching chat.
Let's zoom in on your eyeball. This, oh! Oh my god. Chad, don't suck your dick, no! You're nasty. You're a nasty motherfucker. Zoom in on Bryce's balls. Oh, there's nothing there. It looks all like it's going inwards. Stop scratching yourself. Let's watch Chad work out. Oh damn! Chad's one white bastard. Chad, look at the camera. Look over here. What are you smiling about? I was talking to Joanna and then Chad. I was telling Chad, like, bring your condom on Tuesday, because Joanna's gonna go to school, and then I talked to her, and then she's like, oh yeah, I like Chad too.
You know what you said on the phone? It's like bring condom Tuesday. Stop.
Smile, just smile once. Flex once.
No.
Why not?
Oh, yeah.
Let me get a